Pradeep Kumar Khosla, born March 13, 1957, is an Indian-American computer scientist and university administrator. Khosla was elected a member of the National Academy of Engineering in 2006 for contributions to design and sensor-based control in robotic systems for the assembly of high-precision electronics, and for leadership in engineering education. He is the current Chancellor of the University of California, San Diego. He was appointed to the position by the President of the University of California, Mark Yudof, on May 3, 2012. His term began August 1, 2012, following the resignation of the previous Chancellor Marye Anne Fox, a native of Mumbai, then Bombay, India. He was an electrical engineering professor and dean of the Carnegie Mellon College of Engineering. He was also the Philip and Marsha Dowd University Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering and Robotics at Carnegie Mellon. He is also the jury chair for the Infosys Prize since 2011 for the discipline of engineering and computer science.